No, and I'll say this, and actually, if you don't mind bringing up your previous screen that you had up when you had his applied for adjustment of status and the
Yeah,
visa
let's
revocation.
let's let's show that on a screen for
Sure.
Janelle there to
For your
see.
viewers.
Yes,
Yeah,
this
and
one.
then perhaps if I can explain that, because the thing is, for visa immigration alone, okay, for visa immigration alone, his chances of actually being removed from the United States, especially given the legal team that he has, it's very small, right? So I would say it's the flip of what you say when you said that, oh, most people who are in ICE detention, 99%, they end up removed from the US. No, he would definitely be in the 1%. The reason being, okay, first of all, you mentioned here that he has filed for adjustment of status. Let me say this. Generally, in order for someone to file for adjustment of status, they need to be in status at the time that the adjustment is filed. I do not know the full facts of his case, so I don't know when his application for adjustment of status specifically was filed. I would be curious to know, was it before or after his visa was revoked? Because if they filed for adjustment of status at the time that his visa was revoked and he was already considered an overstay, okay, if that's the case, then it's possible that the immigration judge may find that the adjustment of status filing was improper. Right? Improper, invalid adjustment of status. But I don't know the timing of the filing. The other thing is adjustment of status. Generally, you are not, okay, as a foreign national in the United States, you're not entitled to just file for adjustment. It has to be based, okay, it has to be based on a specific immigrant petition. So then the question I have is, what is his basis for adjustment of status? Is it possible, what was mentioned earlier in your program, that, is it possible that he's one of, the first to apply for one of these Trump gold cards? Is that the basis of his adjustment of status filing? I specifically, I don't know the facts of his family situation, but I wonder, does he have adult children who are perhaps hold U.S. citizenship? If that's the case, is it possible that one of his adult children has sponsored him? And through that means he's filing for adjustment of status. Another question I would have is, in any part of this, it hasn't been stated. All I've heard is adjustment of status is at any point, has he filed for asylum, political asylum? So.